If you felt confused by the flood of AI products out there, here's the one map that actually clears it up. There are only 3 kinds of AI tools you'll ever run into: standalone tools, tools with AI built in, and custom AI systems. Let me show you what each one actually looks like. This is a standalone tool. ChatGPT doesn't live inside anything else. You open its own website or app, and you're using it directly. Claude, Gemini's chat interface. Perplexity, same category. If the AI has its own front door, it's standalone. Now watch this. I'm in a normal Google Doc, and here's Gemini, built right into the toolbar. I didn't have to leave Docs or copy-paste anything into a separate chat window. That's an integrated AI feature AI that's been added inside software you already use. Microsoft Copilot inside Word or Outlook works the same way. The AI is the same idea, but you meet it where you're already working. The third type, custom AI solutions, you won't get a screen recording of, because, by definition, these are built for one specific company's problem, not something you can just sign up for. Maybe it's a warehouse using AI to predict which trucks are likely to run late, so dispatch can reroute early. Maybe it's a school using it to flag which students' attendance patterns suggest they need a check-in before it becomes a bigger problem. Different industry, different job, but same idea. Someone took a narrow, specific problem and built AI around solving just that one thing. You probably won't build one of these yourself, but you'll run into them at work. The important thing isn't the technical part, it's knowing this category exists. So, when you hit a problem a chatbot can't solve, you know to ask, is there a purpose-built tool for this, instead of assuming AI can't help? So, standalone if you go to it directly, integrated if it's already inside your tools, custom if it was purpose-built for one job. Keep that map in your head. It'll save you a lot of confusion as we go through this course. Next up, what AI is actually good at and where it falls apart.